Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration on your Android phone. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the Sound and Vibration option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your sound and vibration features. Step 3. Now, scroll down the menu to locate the vibration option. Unfortunately, this is turned on for all vibration items. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the Vibration for Calls option to turn it off. Tap on the Notification Vibration option to turn it off. Next, tap on the Vibrate During Call option to turn it off. And last, tap on the Touch Feedback option and turn off all vibration instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.